During the Biden administration, a temporary humanitarian program granted legal status to hundreds of thousands of Latin American migrants. Last month, a lower court ruled the program could continue. But now the Supreme Court has overturned that decision, siding with the Trump administration. CBS News immigration reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez joins us now from the Washington Bureau. Camilo, who will be affected by this ruling and what risks might they now face?
John, this major ruling by the High Court will place in legal limbo 500,000 people from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela who were allowed to come here to the U.S. lawfully under a Biden administration program designed to deter and dissuade illegal immigration along the U.S.-Mexico border. This ruling will pave the way for the Trump administration to revoke the legal status of these migrants and also to make them eligible for deportation. But there is one important distinction we have to make here, John, and that is that some of these migrants have been applying for asylum, green cards, and other immigration benefits, and they will be allowed to stay here for the time being. But if some of these people do not have any other legal status in the U.S., the Department of Homeland Security is telling them to self-deport immediately, or they will be found, arrested, and deported from the country.
Camilo, help us understand how those sets of policies fit into the larger or broader immigration policy as it stands right now for the Trump administration.
Well, the effort to dismantle this Biden-era policy is part of a broader campaign by the Trump administration to dramatically expand the categories and the pool of people who are eligible for arrest and deportation by ICE. And we just saw this week major leadership changes at that agency, ICE, amid White House concerns that the number of arrests and deportations is just simply not high enough. And so this will allow the agency to go after more people, to increase those numbers potentially.
30 seconds left. Is there any other avenue they're trying to do to get those numbers up? The president is quite concerned with trying to get those numbers up.
Yes, the Trump administration is looking across the federal government, John, to enlist the help of federal law enforcement, including the DEA, ATF, the FBI, Customs and Border Protection, and even the National Guard to help ICE carry out arrests across the country.